Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Uninstall the fuel tank and set it aside, then remove any fuel lines or brackets from the work area. Step 3. This over-axle frame repair kit covers the section of frame that houses the fuel tank crossmember. If you are removing the fuel tank crossmember, cut the rivet heads holding it in place and clear the rivet holes using a hammer and punch. If you are keeping the crossmember, remove the perforations on the frame section that accommodate it. Step 4. Cut off the factory bump stop on the bottom of the frame rail, as this kit includes a replacement bump stop. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the factory frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place. Then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If you remove the fuel tank crossmember, install the replacement now. This kit includes 4 M10 hex bolts and 4 M10 insert flange lock nuts, all for installation of a replacement crossmember. Both the M10 bolts and lock nuts require a 15mm socket. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any removed fuel lines or brackets. Reinstall the fuel tank, then lower and reinstall the bed.